How are you?
Great, thanks. How are you?
I'm Frank.
Pleasure to meet you. How are you?
What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're the owner of the place?
No, just the manager.
Oh, manager. Who's the owner?
Aaron and James McCann.
And where are they? They're Canadian?
Well, she's Canadian, he's Australian.
Okay.
And the other two, there's two other partners, they're Australian and they're in Sydney. So they're trying to get out, but
Trying to get out of...
trying to get here. But I think they're scheduled in maybe a week to come.
Okay.
So we're just cleaning.
They're coming from Canada.
Yes.
So it'll be a while before you operate again.
Think about 6 weeks,
weeks.
maybe 2 months at the most.
Yeah.
So
But it mostly will be clearing.
mostly clearing, yeah. No structural damage, which is fantastic. So we're very lucky. And Bukama, Yasirara, Teddy Delomo, no injuries. So we're very lucky.
And we're working our way down because the three boats are coming, should be around here this afternoon, bringing supplies and
Oh,
water.
fantastic,
Yeah.
fantastic.
And-
For Bukama as well?
From Bukama as well.
Oh, great.
All the villages. All the
great.
villages.
Oh, good.
And there's also assessment team on one of the Navy boats coming up just to assess the damages in the villages
Okay.
and see where we can start building. Especially the priority, of course, would be with the schools.
Of course, yeah. That's fantastic.
Wala.